Hi, I'm Katie Ziskind, the practice owner here in Niantic at Wisdom Within Counseling, where we are a team of child and teen specialists who use creative holistic therapies to help with anxiety, teen depression, and even young adults who are trying to figure out healthy dating relationships. We're a very specialized group that focuses on using creative holistic therapies, helping anxious kids, teens who are having body image issues, eating disorders, LGBTQ, gender questioning, considering transgender, and of course young adults. So we help your whole family function better. In this video, I'm here to talk with you a bit about yoga therapy. First off, yoga therapy is an evidence-based treatment method. And that means that lots of research has been done on yoga therapy and its efficacy and benefits when helping with trauma. You can read more about the world of research on my website, wisdomwithinct.com, underneath the Yoga Therapy tab. So yoga therapy is really different than a group yoga class. Many times, yoga can be therapeutic. However, a group class is not considered yoga therapy. Becoming a yoga therapist takes years of specialized expertise and training in addition to just being a fitness instructor or another type of group yoga teacher. There are many different styles of yoga, so if you go to a hot yoga class, it's going to be very different than if you came to a yoga therapy session. Hot yoga might feel like yoga therapy to you, or it might feel very uncomfortable and you might want a personalized practice. There are different styles of yoga at different studios, and each studio has a different culture. Some yoga studios might feel more like a gym or like you're in a boot camp yoga class, whereas other studios might feel more zen, peaceful, and even too gentle or really relaxing. Finding the right studio is all about finding the right shoe. You have to try on a couple different teachers, a couple different times of the day. I would say try 6 to 8 different classes, and then you'll be able to find your yoga home or a home studio. When it comes to yoga therapy, many clients come to me because you may have already been doing yoga. You may already be an athlete and getting this great love for exercise. You want some spirituality. You want something more than just a yoga pose, just another warrior one to work the quad muscles. You want there to be more meaning to your practice. And as your yoga practice evolves, you will notice an emotional shift. And these emotions can be from years into your past. 5 years ago, you went through a tough situation, and now you're feeling the effects because you're opening up your body in these ancient yogic postures. And you might be crying on your yoga mat and not know why and want a guide that's an expert in helping you work through those difficult feelings to really let them go so that you can create a bright, beautiful future for yourself. Yoga therapy incorporates mind, body, and spirit. So in addition to being a yoga therapist, I'm also a marriage and family therapist. So my licensure in Connecticut allows me to offer you talk counseling, but also we push the chairs to the side and you get to lay out some yoga mats. We can do poses, guided meditation for calming anxiety, overwhelm, and worry, healing touch that's supportive and nurturing, as well as a really beautiful way for you to feel safe in the present moment. I also guide you in breathing techniques for anxiety, and all around methods and techniques that look at your mind, body, and spirit, not just treating a symptom. We look at helping you feel 100% more confident, better than you ever have been before, whether that comes to physical movement, nutrition, or connecting to spiritual energy, ancestors or loved ones who have passed away. Yoga therapy can only be done by a trained yoga therapist, not just by a yoga teacher. I am a trained yoga therapist, so I have expertise and hours of training when it comes to looking at your mind, your body, and your spirit. So if you're coming in to learn a posture, that's one avenue. Or you might be coming in because you're in such physical pain that you need some support when it comes to your mind. Because if you've been an athlete your whole life, and now you are running a marathon, you have an injury, you can't do what you used to do. So it can feel like quite a defeat, can feel like quite a loss if you used to love exercising or yoga and now you can't do it, which means that yoga therapy is a way for you to evolve beyond the physical world and create a deeper connection to your true self and relate deep inside to your heart, to your authentic self. Go beyond the physical world, going beyond just traditional talk counseling with a movement, breathing-based therapy that is scientifically and evidence-based in grounded research to help you heal from anxiety, trauma, and loss. If you're looking to get started in yoga therapy, I would love to support you. This is a really gentle, alternative complementary medicine that's just a great adjunct to traditional talk counseling. So we can talk out those feelings when you need to, but we can also use other methods, ancient methods, to help you connect within yourself and create meaningful relationships with others in your life, all from loving yourself just the way you are. Call or text to get started in yoga therapy or holistic counseling, 860-451-9364. You can read more about yoga therapy, Ayurveda, the sister science of yoga, yoga therapy for PTSD and trauma, as well as couples yoga therapy, which helps reconnect distant couples who are feeling bored and need some more spice in their relationship together at wisdomwithinct.com. I'm Katie Ziskind, the practice owner of Wisdom Within Counseling here in Niantic, Connecticut, where we specialize in holistic creative therapies. We help anxious children, depressed teenagers, and distant young adults using art, yoga, music, and walking outdoor sessions by the Niantic Bay Boardwalk and the Shoreline Beach area. We teach positive coping skills that you can use for your entire life after therapy's over to help you connect with your mind, your body, and your spirit. Read more at wisdomwithinct.com. Have a wonderful day.